Yeah, nice hit.
All right, so what we're doing today is my brother just bought a new car. He just bought a little grocery getter to save money on his truck. And so, yeah, we're gonna take that up to the Rainy River. We're already in Warroad, Minnesota, so it's another 30 miles to the Rainy. We have 2 packs of worms. We're gonna see what we can catch, so stay tuned. Hopefully we catch something.
God, this thing is strong.
It's a dinosaur, dude.
Yeah.
We're catching dinosaur. This is so cool. I've never ever even seen a sturgeon caught.
Don't get too ahead of yourself. I haven't caught it yet. I don't want to tighten the tension anymore.
No, you don't. Let him run.
Come on, buddy. Get ready, Brad. Get down on your knees or something. As soon as he comes up, you gotta grab him.
Ready to get down. We're using big night crawlers today, and Zach's hooked up.
Couldn't even see him.
No, it's deep here.
I saw a little tiny twitch on the rod, and I was grabbing it to reel in my bait. I felt tension, and I set the hook.
Yeah, when he came up out there, I knew it was.
Oh yeah, that wasn't no northern. He doesn't handle anything like northern or the walleye.
This is so fun.
Please don't break.
Kill yourself. You're never driving the Grand Butler again if it breaks. Driving the Grand Butler again if it breaks.
Best line and the best rod I got.
I told you guys we were gonna catch something big.
Drifting up.
Ready?
You ready, Brad? I know. Casey doesn't swim down again. Holy shit. Here, you flip. Here you go. Somebody try and grab this line over here. Grab it with the net.
Small little bit of net right now, Chris.
Holy fuck, I just got a fucking sturgeon.
Zach, what's your thoughts after that?
I don't even know what to say, man. That's incredible.
We just caught a sturgeon on the Rainy. This is so exciting for us. He's small enough, we can.
You can't keep these. Can
No.
you?
We have to get this fish back into the water as fast as we can, but yeah, we'll take a picture and show you guys that, and then we'll show you a release. So stay tuned, this is pretty exciting.
Here he goes. First sturgeon in my life.
That's
Pretty
awesome. Another sturgeon. Here we go.
Smaller.
A bit smaller. Zach's caught another sturgeon. It is absolutely pouring right now, if you guys can probably hear it. So we left the Rainy River. We were just shore fishing. And yeah, the rain forced us out. Holy, there was a big crack of lightning and thunder. So we're headed back to camp. Thanks for watching so much. Hit like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.